made a number of panels with what they do scientifically speaking in the Bay Area of Nazare. They help us a lot in terms of forecast, even for surfing. And we have some uniqueness over here. I don't know if you know, but we have a U-boat that was sunk in May 20, 1945.
Where is it?
Somewhere around here, perhaps. This area. This is the 3D model.
Yeah.
You can see over there again. This kind You want to start writing the session or what you got? Take it on.
No swear words. Oh!
It's only my, I'd say, first in the morning. Go ahead. We're rearranging it. No trouble, it's going to be set correctly. Now, we unveil the plate. A few words. Thank you. Well, I think we are kind of rewriting history, or at least making sure that the history is told correctly. Because Al is one of the guys that discovered first is there on the first bunch of surfers that came to Nazare and tried to help us out, making sure that Nazare was and Praia Norte was known throughout the world. And for us, making history correctly said and told is quite important. And we want to make sure that every single one of you guys, and even some that might have been forgotten, for those that should have remembered that as you were one of the newcomers, one of the discovery men of Praia Norte. We want to make sure that every single one that had something about or something related to the global recognition that Praia Norte nowadays has should be displayed at the Central Wall. It's a symbolic but quite truthful, quite important for us at the City Hall, that anyone that mattered something for Praia Norte should be displayed. For us, it's a delight and a very huge pleasure to have all men displayed at the Central Hall. For that,
you local guys all had that vision. You inspired us to come here, and we saw it. You lived here. You know the history, the myths, the legends. You know about the fishermen that died, and all the stuff that happened in this local area. And you guys really, you brought us all here, and thank you very much for that. And this is a very touching tribute for me personally to come here and have this mounted on the wall in this historic building. I think it's really good that you're so patriotic about it. You're strong, you're Portuguese, and you're proud of what you've got, and you're literally world leaders in the big wave world. Thank you very much for everything, for inviting me here, for putting me up here, and looking after me, showing me all your big ways, and I've had some of the best experiences in my life here. I've been coming to Portugal since I was 6. 6 years old, a little tiny redhead kid. Something I've ever seen in Dubai. I love this country. Out of everywhere in the world, Portugal's my favorite country, and you should be very proud of it. So thank you very much.
Tudo para aqui, vamos embora. Double picture.
Yeah, Carlos.
Vamos embora. Agora cá, por aí. Guys, picture. Well, you said something quite important for us. We've been teaching the why we make cats. And they feel it feels a lot. The only guy that made me feel underdressed.
I still these pictures of you guys all the time. That's how I can't go with you.
Well,